tutafungua maandishi. Fanfare. Tumpongeze Mheshimiwa Rais, amekuja vuja ardhi, ishara kwamba mradi huu sasa wati. Mheshimiwa Rais. Ni dhihirisho kwamba sasa mwanakandarasi Marshall Limited sasa wataendelea na utendakazi kama ilivyo ahadi ya Mheshimiwa Rais ya vyumba kwa wananchi.
Starting off with this master plan, which shows us exactly what we are intending to come up with. Right now we are standing in this position. So phase 1, which is these houses in red, is towards your back, near that tank down there. And what we are intending to do is a total of 520 units of phase 1, composed of 2 bedrooms and 3 bedrooms. The cost is as you directed. We are at about 3,200 all in. And the cheapest unit is going for about 1.5 for the 2-bedroomed. Yeah, these are rentals. Phase 2, again, a similar units of 520, which will come after phase 1. And within here, we have an SME park, which I'll show you towards the end, but also have social amenities. We have a healthcare, a dispensary level 3 hospital. We have a primary school with ECD, a police station, a community center, and a lot of outdoor sports facilities. So these are the residentials. It's about 30 acres, yes. Yes.
Okay, you should have a proper mix of that. I think you should keep to discuss last time with the changes.
Okay.
It's going to be a city, Your Excellency. If you want to live
Yeah.
in the city, I think I have no problem with that.
No, I'm saying that we need an area.
Okay.
Different.
Yes.
So that, because in the city, there are people with different capacity.
You'll allow me, sir, to mention that within this phase 2, there is going to be a total of 576 units extra for social and affordable units, which will have now the 2 rooms, the 1 room that can be rented out singly. Okay. So these are the renters for the community courts, as people are living, how they would interact, have those community courts, have creches within them. And this is now a ground floor of the community center, which is now shown there on 3D. This is where we want now, we expect people to have their functions, their meetings, their weddings, something similar. This is a level 3 hospital with a very good maternity wing. We're having day beds, and we've designed it to take ground plus 4, so that if there's any extension to be done, then it can go upward. So this can develop into a fairly large hospital facility. Similarly, we have an ECD 2-stream, a school which is 2-stream, but again, similarly, we've designed it to go upwards, at least another 2 levels. Because here, because of the ground conditions, we may not go beyond ground plus 4. This is an ECD for the community. Like we mentioned, we will have also creches within the courts, but this will now be for the community, so that the community could bring their people here. We've provided a police station here, fully fledged, again with a slab able to go up to 2-3 levels, depending on the demand coming in. Yes, this roof is sitting on a slab. So when we want to go up, we continue and remove it and put it back again. This is something we are proposing for phase 2. Yes, we are calling this SME industrial unit, where you have this as a manufacturing capacity for somebody doing leather, for somebody doing computers, for somebody doing anything, a small shop for of.
Leather is going to be very big here.
Yes. So you have this shop to sell your products to the retail market. You have a yard. So this becomes one unit. So a block of 3 forms our typical unit, which now we are having this social housing on top. This is where you are talking about the one-room rental unit, so that the workers here are living up here. Then you leave this now as that the street view. Thank you, sir.
Nafasi hii mgeni rasmi.
Kwa sababu tunajua hapa sasa itakuwa ni mahali Wakenya wengi watakuja kutafuta ajira. Pia lazima tupange, hawa Wakenya watakuja kufanya kazi hapa, wataishi wapi? Watanunua chakula wapi? Watoto wao watasoma wapi? Wakipata mafua ataenda hospitali wapi? Na ndio mnaona nimekuja pia kuanzisha hapa program ya affordable housing. Tunajenga nyumba 1,000 ya kwanza. Nyumba 500 tayari phase 1, nyumba 500 phase 2, na tutajenga shule, tutajenga ECD, tutajenga hospitali, na tutaweka social amenities zingine ambazo nyinyi kama wafanyikazi wa sehemu hii mtatumia, watoto wenu wasome, mpate mahali ya kwenda hospitali, na vile vile tutakuwa na commercial building ambayo itasaidia nyinyi mahali ya kununua chakula na kuendesha mambo yale mengine. Pia katika program yetu ya affordable housing tunahitaji vijana karibu 500 wa kufanya kazi ya ujenzi wa manyumba hapa. So ile kazi imepatikana, na hapa kutakuwa na kazi ya aina yote. Watu ya mchanga mko na biashara, watu ya mawe mko na biashara, watu ya malori mko na biashara, madereva na makondakta mko na biashara, carpenter, plumber, mason, electrician, nani mko na kazi, watchman uko na kazi.